Recovering in the hospital after being run over by an ATV on Jacksonville Beach Friday afternoon. It happened at 15th Avenue North, a popular place for sunbathers. Channel 4's Ashley Mitchell went out to the beach to find out what happened and why there was an ATV driving around in the first place.
I'm here in Jacksonville Beach at 15th Avenue North. Behind me, East Coast Sports Rentals, right beside the Courtyard Marriott. They rent out things like bikes and surfboards, and to take those onto the beach, they use ATVs. In fact, you can see the ATV tracks in the sand right here. I spoke to the owner of East Coast Sports Rentals, and he tells me they're sorry for this accident, and the driver of the ATV is very upset by what happened. I asked the circumstances, but he didn't give me many details, only saying the woman was in her 40s. When I spoke to Captain of Ocean Rescue, the first agency to respond, a lifeguard stand is just one block down from that accident. The captain says that mostly government ATVs travel the beach for patrolling, but they do have proper training. In this case, it was a private vendor.
The public does not expect a vehicle on the beach. You don't expect a vehicle on the sidewalk, so you're not looking for a vehicle, you're looking for other people.
So just for clarification, ATVs are not for rent for regular beachgoers, only for vendors who get approval from the city to use them. And those vendors can only use the ATVs at that point to transport their rentals to the beach.
Because an ATV is an open-air vehicle, one would expect that they can see and kind of visualize somebody before they run over them.
Attorney John Phillips is currently representing 3 people who have been run over on the beach. Although we don't know the extent of this woman's injuries, he says it can be critical, sometimes fatal.
Everything from a crushed arm to crushed facial nerves, burns, it can get fairly significant.
Phillips says the Florida Supreme Court has actually stated that sunbathers have the right to lay out, and they have the dominant right on the beach.
There is no excuse. If you're operating a 4-wheel vehicle on the beach, you need to look around for sunbathers. That's I don't care what happens, that's your fault.
Ashley Mitchell, Channel 4, the local station.
Well, the last time we saw this happen was in Atlantic Beach when a park ranger accidentally ran over 2 teens with his truck.